We cut open Betty and we cut out her brain. ECM. Hey YouTube. Tragic news. The boy and I are out here working on the Mazda, trying to pull parts off of it for the Ranchero, and this camera that I am holding in my hand right now decided it not only didn't want to record anymore, but it decided to corrupt the entire SD card. So everything we recorded on this camera has been lost. I do have a little bit of scenes, a little bit of footage on the GoPro, but it's just me inside the engine bay taking a few things loose. But show you what we did do. What we're after is I'm trying to get this whole bracket out so that we can get the pedal assembly, because I think I'm going to try and transfer this pedal assembly over to the Ranchero. So you can see we've got it all tore up. We have part of the dash ripped out. We got all the we got the steering column ripped out. The boy, he took the ECM out, which was over there, and now it's right there. And in the engine compartment. So in the engine compartment, we got the brake booster out, and the fuse block has been broken loose. I mean, just little things under here. The unfortunate part is it's late in the day. We're losing daylight. We're out here in the North 40, and so we're going to see if we can get a little bit more done. I'll try to piece together what little footage I have left. But looks like this is going to be one of the saddest videos since yesterday. So anyway, let's get started again. How does this work? Okay, this one I just can't get on it with anything. All right, people, so what we've been trying to do is get this aluminum bracket that's the pedal assembly off, and I've got stuff in the way. So what we're going to try is, I just had an epiphany, and I'm going to see if we can get behind the instrument cluster. If getting behind the instrument cluster will help us get access to these last couple of bolts. How many miles did this have? 84,697. 84,000 actual miles. Owned and driven by a little old lady to church on Sundays. Oh yeah, look at that. That would have gained me access to the one I already got. Yep, there it is. Ah! Take that, Ford. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's it for today, ladies and gentlemen. It was a hard-fought battle. So, the brake booster, the ECM, And then the pedal assembly, yeah, that was not, most of the time, it seems like, was spent just getting this last fastener out, as it seems like it always is. It's always the one. Still got a lot of parts to pull out of Betty. I still got to get like the switches and the wiring that go to the electric transfer case, the wire loom that goes back and forth to the ECM into the engine, and all that kind of stuff. I still got to go out and harvest all that, but and it's a sad thing that we lost all of our video footage. I blame that on, it might be my fault. I did actually mistake my SD card for a Cheez-It. I thought it was, I had a handful of Cheez-Its, I had my SD card in the other hand, and I well, yeah. Anyway, that's it for today. Tomorrow, I don't know what I'm doing, but at least we've made some progress. I really want to get back to working on the forge, but, you know, I do what I can with what I got. So anyway, until next time, bye. Where, oh where are you tonight? Why did you leave me here all alone? I searched the world over and thought I'd found true love. You'd met another and you was gone.